In this video, we'll show you exactly how to add voice and SMS integration to Salesforce, streamlining your communication process and making your customer interactions more efficient. Stick around, because we'll cover how you can integrate voice and SMS with just a few simple steps, saving your team a ton of time while boosting productivity. Plus, we'll even share a way for you to use this powerful software completely free with exclusive bonuses, so keep watching. Now, let's get into the details. The first thing you'll need to do is find a reliable voice and SMS integration tool that works seamlessly with Salesforce. There are several platforms out there, but look for one with easy setup, robust features, and flexibility in messaging options. Once you have that, you'll be ready to connect it to your Salesforce instance. Next thing, you'll need to install the integration in Salesforce. Usually, this will be done through Salesforce's App Exchange, where you can search for your chosen tool. Once found, click Get It Now and follow the on-screen prompts. Salesforce is fairly intuitive, so the process should be straightforward. The third thing is setting up the actual voice integration. This will typically require connecting your telephony provider, whether it's VoIP or a traditional service. You'll need to authenticate your account, input your API keys, and ensure the telephony system is mapped to the Salesforce CRM for smooth operations. When it's set up, your team will be able to place and receive calls directly from Salesforce. Now, let's talk about the SMS integration. The key here is to link the SMS provider with Salesforce's communication platform. You'll want to create a workflow so your team can send and receive text messages within Salesforce records. Whether it's for follow-ups, updates, or customer service, this feature allows you to manage everything in one place. Setting up automated SMS for reminders or confirmations is another bonus. Next thing, you'll need to configure your settings. Salesforce allows you to customize the communication options to best suit your team's needs. You can set up things like call routing, text message templates, and customer profile views, so your sales reps or customer service agents can easily interact with clients. Now, the fourth thing to make sure everything's working smoothly is testing. After you've completed the setup, run a few tests to ensure the voice and SMS features are functioning properly. Call your test number, send a message, and make sure everything is logged correctly in Salesforce. If there are any issues, the integration tools support or Salesforce help forums can be really useful. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can use this integration software for free with the link in the description below. Not only do you get access to the tool, but we're also offering some exclusive bonuses to get you started on the right foot. Finally, once you're happy with the integration, your team will have a powerful communication system that combines voice and SMS with Salesforce, making customer interactions more streamlined than ever. And the best part is, it's all done for you in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link below to access your exclusive free trial of the integration tool.